Give thanks and praise to the mystic laws of the universe and its protective functions and forces in nature that guide our thoughts and our path in all ways that are lawful, correct, and positive. We do give thanks and praise. My superior claim, public record 8009. Yeah, man, my superior claim. And I, man, present this document again as exhibits out here, certificate of fact, unrebutted. And this is why we kind of step forward when we get this kind of opportunity to present ourselves and present our information. And as usual, 8009, that's the location area at the Islands Record Office. And here you see me have me, this was back in the days, House of Dallas Estate flag. You have a crest, certified document copy to the Office of the Governor General, Commonwealth of Jamaica. Certified copy to the Office of the Attorney General, Government of Jamaica. General Register's Office. Prothonotary, file and record on demand. Pay attention, my people. Prepared by, returned to, Dallas EX, that's the executor, Linton O'Neill, CO, temporary post location, executor office, and this is my location. And here I'm style it, Jamaica, United States Minor Outlying Island. This is back in the days when we are putting research. And we said declaration of deed from the executor functioning in the office. Acknowledgement and acceptance of the certification of vital record. People, when we go in at the clerk them office at the county record and talk about the certification of vital record, them clueless. Them don't know what me I talk about. Me have to express to them, said this is the very birth registration instrument. So I discover say my knowledge base is a little bit, extensive. Can't prosecute me for the knowledge what I keep. Can't prosecute me if me read at a 29 grade level and your university student is still at a 2nd grade level. That is because of the Prussian form of education where them get. I tell you, so I get private education, private training, everything when I get private. Yeah, man. So it says, for the record, upon my honor, let it now be known and evident to all concerned persons, entities, or men across the earth, through the announcement and notice of this perfect free will writing, sealed by my own hand in an office to bring in an offer to bring peace, harmony, and wholeness to the earth. That I, Linton O'Neill, the living soul, manifest in full life, non-adverse, non-belligerent, non-combative state of being, known as man, estate here, and dignitary, acknowledges that all that is the complete will and testimony of the estate named are known as Linton O'Neill Dallas, evidenced by the birth registration form, record district number, registration number, state file number, and treasury identification number. Created, birthed, or delivered on October 25th, 1971 by nomenclature or state authority 39 days after the life event of Keir Linton O'Neill, firstborn of twins, on September 16, 1971. Through the genealogy of my natural-born dad, Burnett, of the House of Dallas. I'm named Burnett Dallas, that's my father. And the water of my natural-born mom, Dehelia May, of the House of Smith. Yeah, so our last name is Smith, like Kamenia Johnson Smith. Yeah, and like Kiddo Smith. Yeah, and like, yeah, all of them Smith they out there. Or her person now acknowledges and accepts the certification of vital record, along with the Treasury identification number as evidential proof of an infant trust estate and an office of executor. My landmark footprint is on the organic document held by the General Register Office. Validate this claim. So the proof there in the location what I tell you about, and it's a genetic notary. I, the living soul manifest, now bears witness with my own eyes and attest through my own hands. Evidence this notice and free will writing by Linton O'Neill for the record upon my honor, so be it executed, and by this execution be made to appear in deed and acted, decreed. And look at this now. Dated February 13, 2019, General Executor by Linton O'Neill. See it? And this is my house seal. This is how I establish myself. You understand? And here is a official authority. You understand? You see the big seal, duly signed and sealed. You see it? Examiner of records. I don't have absolutely no authority for mess with my juristic entity. This is why I want to mess with a registered security instrument and I want to get authorization. This is why I want to commit fraud. And this is why I want to go to prison, because I'm telling you already, you people are so smart. I'm not so smart till I'm dunce. Because I'm going to give me all the information as evidence what I need for prosecute, for fraud, for forgery. You get me? And this is criminal activity. So we are sure who the real criminal is, where the real criminal organization is, and who this liability should lie on. You people out there who like to place false accusation on free man and woman of this earth. You are the devil's advocate. Yes, you are the devil's pawn, and you know it. And here I have my certified document, and I show you, boy, see it here, this is called a certificate of fact. Yeah, government of Jamaica rebut it with Andrew Holness. House of Parliament rebut it. Maroon people rebut this. So when I hear all the little people them want to highlight, like the L.A. Lewis them, like all the old guy, this old senior sergeant of police, ask me if me is a L.A. Lewis. Tell L.A. Lewis to present his information like I have. Verify the claims them want to make out there. Can you guys do it? No. No. Talk cheap. Here it is. You don't see no justice of the peace on this document. Look at it again. This is my authorization. This is my own authority. This is my house seal. How advanced am I as a little dunce Greenwich Farm ghetto boy? Salute St. Andrew Primary School. That is bumper all. You understand? I'm going to salute all people up in them location there, because I man run up and down from Greenwich Farm, go right up a Maxfield, Russell Road, all of these places. I think you have an Adventist church there on Russell Road. And every little man when you hear them call them name and thing, trust me, it's a true me grew up a certain way, me totally familiar. Because I was the one who stay in a primary school like them never want to let me out. So when me there in a primary school and big boy that come from Demon Town and I get trouble in the primary school, you know who them send out there? We'd have a principal named Mr. Jackson. Mr. Jackson just said, Dallas, go get them. And breadfruit, me love them thing there. What? Me just run out on them big boy that we have got Denham Town. Yeah, man. And when me done mash them up out there, them not coming to my primary school come mess around because me dead it. When I can go check them records there. This are from primary school. And me I tell you, say the principal send me out there go deal with them. And big boy run from me. I mean a primary school clothes. That me I tell you now. And then me a fuck. Just like how me I present my certificate of fact. Me not chat sideways out here. So any government agent we can present for them document where it's superior to mine, present it now or forever. Hold your untidy peace. We're tired of people who can't read and write or purport themselves to know all of these things when them dunce like ratbat. Them not gain a patience to express yourself. You understand? Them just tell themselves that them is everything and them know everything and them blind like ratbat because them only were conditioned. Because I never get to spoil myself in the universities here. This is why, you know, my private education allow me to present myself this way. And for the dunce police were out there, we are talking about what is seal and seal. Here it is again, you dunce bat you. We're sick of the dunce police because we have too much bright, smart, educated police. We just want the opportunity out there. Them just want an opportunity to do good. So we, the people, can say, salute police, them thing, turn up, them are do the right thing. Them are maintain them honor because you have good people that teach them what is honor. On the political system is not know what is honor. On a function in a dishonor. And then the honorable people there have to stay silent because no one is there to step up. No one here on the island is here to step up and charge these people for them nefarious conduct. No one is here. And my common people are depend upon the entertainers. Where I salute my entertainer them because I'm a beat on a tune all when I not really, you know, agree with on a political stance, but I play the tune them when me like. So I salute the entertainers and I see you guys as just that. If any entertainer out there, from the Sizzler to the anybody else out there, but say them smart and go through the university, can present a superior claim in front of me, then me can talk to them. Outside of that, I come a class. This is why the Jamaica government hide me. This is why my platform I get more than 20 or 30 views. And that is a lot. This is why when me go live, me only have 2 or 3 people in my live group. You understand? Because this kind of information is so potent. Them can't allow no access to it. This is why the government of Jamaica I try to take me off of the road. Them know them out of order. Them know them not have no authority. But this is what them I try to silence me. Now them carry me in them unlawful criminal traffic mess, which is unlawful. It's outside of the Constitution. People can only volunteer for participate in that. Only because them know law. So when them carry me in there, it's for agitate me. Like what they so-called presume parish court judge a try. Because the moment them not have no respect and manners, you know, give them none. You just stay silent. And going forward, now that I'm cognizant of this, me not necessarily have to speak inside an unlawful tribunal or any kind of, you know, group setting. From it's unlawful, it not have no law, me not go even speak. Because when I try to tell me, say, boy, I don't want to set me up for say, he always not show up, you know. You hear him, make we go lock him up. And because the system is so corrupt, you hear me talk against your filthiness out there, that means on the whole judiciary are going to be biased against me. I know that, and I care not. Why? Because the records speak volume. I don't have no talk You don't have no grounds to stand on. Yeah, man, and it's out of order. You have no jurisdiction over this free man nor his legal entity. And I have a superior claim here where absolutely no politician can rebut. You understand? I mean, I want to bring on a look at Duns police officers to keep harassing me. I'm sick of it. I'm going to continue showing the document until I present a document where shows that I can defend myself. And I will be within my right to do that. And now to stop. Everybody is not the same. If I demonstrate the little knowledge that I am, respect it. Respect it, I bring one on a top student for come challenge me here and show for them documentation here. And make them tell you where them find the knowledge for create or construct anything like this. What I'm showing here has never been done. Which other man on this earth ever entered the jurisdiction with their own authority, with their own seal? Which one? So why not deal with me like me a common criminal when I'm not? Andrew Holness, no one can walk near to me. That's why I'm so money hungry. Because I used to think so when I'm say education minister, bright people. It's all a scam. Most of these attorneys where you see up there, I buy them by that. Them dunce like ratbat. All them can do is negotiate behind the scenes and sell out the people. So I'm going to respect the attorney where work within the scope of law and is honorable. I'm going to call them the legal lawyer, constitutional lawyers. Those people you can probably respect. The constitutional lawyers. But an attorney, first look up the definition of that word. And then ask any attorney, where does his allegiance lie? It's never with you first. Any honest attorney will express that to you. So this is why I chose to present myself. I need no man to represent I under no circumstance, and I need no flunky organization to be administering no estate where attached to me, nor in a trust fund. You're out of line, you're out of order, and you're criminal in office. You're impersonators in office. And I'm on there for judgment on them with truth and righteousness. You guys are filthy out there. And you will remain filthy until you cleanse yourselves. Yeah. Wanna give me this opportunity for come out and judgment on with truth. One is audacious. One not choose to perplex this free man's tranquility. It is audacious. Anyway, salute out there. Give thanks, guts. Yeah, man. Out there. Free man. Joel Jaguasi. Out there. TMB. Salute. Sir Anthony. Complete respect out there. Salute to my fisher folks over the Causeway Fishing Village. I man, Nestorian King. Yeah, this sovereign man says salute out there. Yeah, man, and all fisher folks across this island. I man, this sovereign man, Nestorian King, says salute out there. And to all of my farmers, comfort all to all of my farmers. Yeah, man, this sovereign man, Nestorian King, says salute out there. It's free will exercise, people. You can choose to free yourself or you can choose to remain a slave. Notice me show a document where I not ask permission from no guy. Look for my document again. It now have no justice of the peace. It now have no notary public. It just have I seal, I authority. How did I get in there? Because it's duly sealed and signed and authenticated. I don't know what go on. Because them can't teach on these things. Because I'm not free. And my life partner do not like when me use the word slave. So I'm going to have to say subject. I don't like upset my lady. So in an effort not to upset my beautiful lady, I won't say slave. I'll try not to say slave and just say subject. I hope that will sit well with her. I'll speak to her and see if that's okay. Because some may work. Yeah, man. So people, complete respect with honor. And again, we're going to pass through later and share some more information because I have a copyright claim document we're going to present out here. And show you so them people and have the authorization fee if I use my name, I write my name on paper and I do nothing at all. And this is when I'm going to put everything together and present my claim. But it's always good for you to notify them way ahead of time, just like I did years ago, and then totally ignore it. So now at the time for embarrass them, shame them, put them in a place. Naturally. Anyway, out there, people. Out there. Because we are passed through later with more documentation. Out there. The brave may fall, but never yield. And we say bold and brave. We say firm and strong. Truth is supreme. Because you see, when ones and ones realize what go on, watch me now, them are going to find me, man, and say, come talk some more about them things. I must say salute to the office of the Governor General. Salute to my military personnel out there. Complete respect to all of my soldiers. To my little young family member who step in there. Watch me now. May the Most High guide and protect the eye them in that thing. Because I know so when it come on to the military, you have a different kind of discipline and you respect the pecking order. So I don't know why some little police officer are going to violate the Governor General's office. You understand? I not get it. This is why myself, I never go foreign as a young boy. I would have been in the military. And yeah, them would have roughed me up because they would have say your head too tough, man. But we like you because you're committed. But I would be in the military. Yeah, man. I love them discipline, them. I love the training. I love those things. I love them things, man. So it's complete respect to the office of the Governor General. You see the little commercial vendor apartheid with the government of Jamaica, that little business apartheid there. You better get on yourself in order and get them police officer in check. You have too much bright police out there. I keep saying it, We have police, when you see them, you're impressed. Especially the detective them, because them, they are the real police. When you see a detective, you know, say yes. You know what I mean? Him well clean, him well talking, and you have to give them respect. Just with the presentation, because we have to show respect to the offices. We're not business with the people and we're in that doors come and go. But we always will show respect to the office. And when we have people going to those offices and pollute it, corrupt it, and spoil it, then we have to burn it. You understand? We have to call out them filthy and tidy people, man, and shine light on them, make them know truth. Everybody is not subject to you people. You can't treat everybody that way, especially some of the bush people. Some of them come from some place where you don't see the sun shine until 1 o'clock. And as it shine, it go back down. And you come out here now and disrespect decent people. You see me upon all my bicycle police that stop me, drag my keyring out my waist, search up my bag, and people, my bicycle, when you see my bicycle, you will see how my bicycle stay. And them not have no authority. But because them dunce like Ratbat, and them have some leaders where, like the senior sergeant is just as dunce like Ratbat, the bright people, them withhold them. Because the bright people now come out here, come go on with no mess. So them put the bright people them somewhere far. In a back, I tell them, say, do paperwork, are you bright? And put their dunce police out here, get their problem. Everybody is not a subject to you people. I am not that man. I am this sovereign man, free. I may prove it by my documentation on the public record, which is public law go on unrebutted. And unlock these things. I may show on a document now, say, see it here. Look what me do. Which other man on the island have done this? Did Marcus Garvey ever express himself this way? I am a free man and have a right to move across this earth freely. And whenever I travel freely. Now, public authority not supposed to engage me without them a know say what them a offer for contract. And once them engage me, them initiate the fee schedule, which is a contract. I said these things years ago. So you guys are going to just run right into it. You don't underestimate everybody. I know right now that old police officer, senior sergeant, him supposed to shake him head. I say if I didn't know it, I would even look on the brethren there. You know, some dunce people who can't read, can present these documents to you and overlook it, can out of order talk about man thing forgery and man thing a fraud. A man all care, and this a normal mania, this a simple mania, this a little mania, on out of order. Never judge a book by its cover. Dunce. And whenever you choose to take it up, read it on my level. Because I read etymologically, I read legally, and I also read ordinarily. So take that.